Hi, I'm Liliane Blom. I'm a digital painter and installation artist here in Rockville, Maryland, and I'd like to take you on a short walkthrough of my fabulous upcoming installation, Pink, a Cherry Blossom Fantasy. Follow me! Pink is set to open on December 2nd in the Kaplan Gallery, a 2,500 square foot space at Viz Arts in Rockville. It's a multi-sensory interactive installation. My aim is to bring spring into the winter, light into the darkest part of the year, and joy through the unexpected encounter with a riot of pink cherry blossoms. There will be multiple video projections, large-scale digital paintings, 200 feet of hand-painted silk billowing in the wind, and a room-sized cocoon of pink tulle where you can play with hand-stamped cherry blossoms blowing in the wind. It's fun for all ages. Thank you for watching the video. I'm going to need just a little help from all my friends to make this fantasy a reality. If everybody pitches in just a little bit, the cherry blossom fantasy will bloom all over Rockville in December. Remember, it's tax deductible, so please click the donate button and pass this along to your friends. Mark your calendars, opening December 2nd. Thank you. Merci. Tusen tack. Gracias.